Photographs are more than just light and shadow. They empower us to rediscover the world through camera lenses, communicating with each other and expressing our deeper selves using images. With the ASUS ZenFone 4, better, sharper, professional quality pictures are now within your reach. The ZenFone 4 series represents a major evolution in camera phone design. By stepping away from a single camera lens, our dual-lens camera opens the door to possibilities, allowing you to compose pictures from endless perspectives. The main camera combines a wide aperture with a large sensor and pixel size of Sony's industry-leading IMX362, capturing more light than nearly any other smartphone camera. This is further enhanced by OIS, which allows longer blur-free handheld exposure. The result is 5 times the light sensitivity of a typical smartphone camera, producing striking details and yielding true-to-life photos day or night, indoors or outdoors. The 120-degree wide-angle second camera can broaden your vision and give you a more complete picture. With instant camera switching, the phone's 120-degree wide-angle camera increases field of view by an astounding 200%. Capture more people and scenery, even in confined spaces, for immaculate panoramic pictures and epic video. With ZenFone 4, tap into the same technology found in professional cameras. 100% of the sensor's pixels are employed by dual-pixel phase detection autofocus to lock onto subjects with the speed and accuracy of the human eye, occurring in a hypersonic 0.03 seconds. You'll be snapping like a pro in no time. On top of its support for uncompressed raw image data and 4K video, the ZenFone 4's Pro mode puts you in control with DSLR-like fine-tuning and customization. Optimized for heavy usage, the ZenFone 4 functions efficiently throughout its power cycle and offers an exceptional battery life. Driven by the latest 14nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 600 series processor, the phone promises peak performance and energy efficiency, complete each of your daily needs in a matter of seconds with battery life to spare. True freedom is not worrying you'll run out of power when you need it most. You can spend the whole day exploring and shooting with the high-capacity 3300 mAh battery and Boostmaster's fast charge technology. The ZenFone 4's streamlined metal unibody case is manufactured using nano-molding technology, packing the power of the dual-lens camera system into a slim, elegant frame. The ultra-slim display bezel means more space for easier viewing in a slim-width body that feels remarkably comfortable to hold. And smoothly contoured, scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass front and back is silky to the touch while also tempered for strength. The phone has our Zen-inspired textured concentric finish in warm, vibrant colors that are absolutely unique in the way they catch the eye. With the ASUS ZenFone 4, you have unlimited freedom to express yourself the way you were meant to. Rediscover the world through 2 camera lenses and convey your unique message with pictures.